Hello architects and engineers. So in this video, we will going to learn how we can make a gable or a lean-to roof on the shed with all the sides open. So let's go to the um, basic dimensions tab and we can choose the floor type, metric units, and the roof type will be gable or lean-to, and you can change the width, the roof pitch, and number of bays will be 4. Let's go to the columns tab and select this option, internal girds, and we have to select these vertical bars to remove the girds. So we have all the 4 sides now open, and similarly you can change the roof type to the lean-to, and it will be lean-to right, and lean-to will have all with all sides open. And yeah, you can export PDF and you can capture views, or you can add some doors,